Want to make a viral cat video using AI? It's way easier than you think. And I'm going to show you how in just a few steps. Okay, so here's what I did. I opened ChatGPT and typed in this exact prompt. Write a viral cat story in 200 words. Add a twist so that the viewers are hooked till the end. And what ChatGPT gave me was actually kinda crazy. It gave me this awesome story about a cat named Milo who calls 911 to save his owner. But there's a twist at the end that totally flips everything. Super short, super viral worthy. Then I said to ChatGPT, create visual prompts or a storyboard about this story to generate visuals. Boom! Got a full breakdown, scene by scene. Next, I opened my browser and searched Meta AI. Clicked on the official site. It's called Imagine with Meta AI. If you don't have an account, just sign up. It's free and super quick. No credit card needed. If you already have a Facebook or Instagram, you can log in with that too. Once you're in, I jumped back to ChatGPT, copied the first visual prompt. You know, like a cozy kitchen, with a cat on a windowsill during rain. Then I pasted that into Meta AI's image generator. Meta AI generated this really cinematic image. It actually looked like a Pixar still. Then I clicked Animate. Boom. Now the rain's moving, the cat's blinking. We're making a movie, people. Then I did it again. Scene 2. Emily falls. Scene 3. Milo touches the phone. Scene 4. Paramedics rush in. Scene 5. Milo goes viral. Scene 6. The twist. Security footage shows a hooded man placing the phone near Milo, and then disappearing into the shadows. Milo gets all the credit, but someone else saved the day. And that's how I used ChatGPT and Meta AI to create a viral cat story. Fully animated, fully AI generated. Want to try it? Drop your wildest prompt idea in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I might turn your story into the next viral video.